Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today, you step into the serene, healing energy of the star, the light that arrives after the storm. After chaos comes clarity, after endings comes renewal. After the tower falls, the star appears to guide you home. As you listen, let your breath soften. Feel peace wash over your spirit. This is a day of hope, faith, and divine alignment. Imagine standing beneath a vast midnight sky filled with millions of shimmering stars. The air is cool, gentle, calming. Beside a still pool of water stands the star, pouring light, healing, and renewal into both the earth and the spirit. She does not rush. She does not force. She simply shines, reminding you that guidance is always above you and healing is always within you. Tonight, you follow her light. The star represents hope, healing, renewal, guidance, divine alignment, faith, spiritual clarity. When this energy appears, it brings a message. You are entering a phase of healing after hardship. You are finding direction after confusion. You are reconnecting to your purpose, your soul, and your inner truth. The universe is aligning with you, not against you. Something in your life has recently shifted, ended, or changed. That change may have felt heavy, but it cleared space for your light to return. The star appears to tell you, you are guided, you are protected, you are being led towards something better. The path ahead may not be fully visible, but you don't need the whole map. You only need the next step, and the star will illuminate it. Close your eyes gently. Imagine lying in a quiet field beneath the night sky. Starlight falls onto your skin like warm, gentle rain. Every breath fills you with peace. Every exhale releases the past. Feel a soft glow form at the center of your chest, a star of your own. It beats with hope, with clarity, with purpose. Whisper softly, "My light is returning." Today is a day of gentle creation. Your practice, write one thing you want to heal. Write one dream you are ready to believe in again. Spend 2 minutes visualizing yourself receiving it. Healing is manifestation. Belief is the doorway. Repeat with calm intention. I am guided, healed, and aligned. My path is unfolding with clarity and purpose. The star brings peace today. She lights the path ahead. She reminds you that your future is brighter than your past. Join us again, and one of the Omnistian family will be here to guide you into the transformative flow of the moon.